Being inducted into the Notre Dame Athletics Hall of Fame is an extreme honor to me. For one, because it was definitely not easy. It was not an easy path. When you look at the legendary coaches and outstanding athletes that have been a part of this athletics program, I am extremely honored that I am here before you today to forever be a part of this elite legacy. The biggest role that ND athletics played in my life at an early age was to learn what commitment and discipline really looked like. Coach Marcucci made it very clear that we were going to play the game the right way. The right way was playing fundamentally sound, going all out, emptying the tank in every competition, regardless of the score, with dignity, pride, and sportsmanship. The coaches that played a major role in my time at ND, and I don't want to leave any of the coaches out. Obviously, Coach Tom Marcucci and Coach Jim Gersha were my mentors. I'd also like to mention Coach Palladino, Coach Kingsley, Coach Palantano, and then if we get into football, Coach Marazzi, Coach Bond, Coach Jerry Charleglio, Coach Otto. I hope I'm not leaving anyone out. Don't forget Pete Eiler. He was our equipment manager. The two coaches that had the biggest impact on my life were Coach Tom Marcucci and Coach Jim Gersha. There's not a mentor out there that genuinely cared more about his students and players as Coach Gersha did. Coach Marcucci was and is still very much an amazing mentor and friend that has helped mold my life to this day. Coach Marcucci had a knack for getting the absolute most out of you while putting a smile on your face at the same time. Having been an assistant coach and a head coach here for over 20 years, I was able to pass down to the next generation of coaches, hopefully the template of what it means to be a Notre Dame student and a Notre Dame athlete. And if I have done that, then I'm very proud of that. People that I would like to thank, first and foremost, would be my mother, the biggest Notre Dame football and baseball fan out there. She went to every game. I'd also like to thank my father, who also instilled the values that the coaches instilled upon me, and my brother, my Aunt Shirley, my cousin Danny and Debbie, and my Uncle Dan and my Aunt Linda, and the entire coaching staff, anyone and everyone that I was coached by, and who I've coached with. And I'd like to thank Coach Shea for making this event a reality. And also, I'd like to thank President Curris and Mr. Valencia. I would be remiss if I did not mention Patrick Clifford, who helped me when I was here and when I was as a student and as a teacher, as well as brother James Brannigan.